How does the vaccine work? The COVID-19 vaccines work by helping our bodies develop immunity to COVID-19 without having to get the virus. Different vaccines work in different ways but still do the same function of protecting us against the virus. The body is left with a supply of memory, T lymphocytes, as well as B lymphocytes. The protein the body creates helps with fighting a virus when exposed to it. After getting vaccinated with the vaccine, it takes a few weeks for the body to produce T lymphocytes and B lymphocytes. After the time the vaccine needs to develop protection in the body is when people start to develop symptoms such as fever. The symptoms don't necessarily mean that you have the virus, but that the vaccine is doing its job.
Here are some reasons people give for not getting vaccinated. They either believe the vaccine is not safe and/or they don't trust the government. If you are someone who believes those exact reasons, here are some statements that can change your judgment on the vaccine. For starters, clinical trials of all vaccines must first show they are safe and effective before any vaccine can be authorized or approved for use, including COVID-19 vaccines. The risk of COVID is many times greater than the risk of a vaccine. 200,000 people have died since December, but none have died from getting the COVID vaccine. And as you can see on the graph to your left, it shows how cases have gone down after vaccination began. In this
reason people give for not getting vaccinated. People fear that the mRNA might get inside the nucleus and change their DNA. mRNA never entered the nucleus of the cell, which is where our DNA genetic material is kept. The cell breaks down and get rid of the mRNA soon after it finished using the instruction. People think that the COVID-19 vaccine is too rushed. Researchers have been studying and working with the mRNA vaccine for decades. As soon as the necessary information about the virus that caused COVID-19 was available, scientists began designing the mRNA instruction for cells to build a unique spike protein into an mRNA vaccine. Clinical trials of all vaccines must first show they are safe and effective before any vaccine can be authorized or approved for use, including COVID-19 vaccine. The known and potential benefit of a COVID-19 vaccine must outweigh the known and potential risk of the vaccine for use under what is known as an Emergency Use Authorization (EUA).
Benefits of getting vaccinated as soon as you become eligible are: all COVID-19 vaccines currently available in the United States have been shown to be highly effective at preventing COVID-19. Also, getting vaccinated yourself may also protect people around you. COVID-19 vaccination will help protect you by creating an antibody response without having to experience sickness. And lastly, COVID-19 vaccination will be an important tool to help stop the pandemic.